Hello and welcome back. Today I am going to do some swatches on this new Polygel set from Amazon that I received from Vrenmol. The pictures look absolutely stunning. It is like a mixed kit, so it comes with a couple of glitters and then a couple of flat colors, meaning they're non-glitters. It comes in this really beautiful case. It's a solid black case, and don't try to open it on the sides like I did. It actually has this really cool magnetic flap that opens, and it's really cute. It's got this little fun confetti, and it's got 6 tubes of Polygel. They're 15 milliliters. So that's what the kit looks like, guys. Now, according to the ad, it says there's approximately 9 ingredients and they're toxin-free, and that the manicure should last approximately 1 month with proper upkeep. So, let's get busy with the swatches. Okay, the first one I have, it looks like it's either a light pink or a clear. It simply says 08. So I will get my nail ready, and I just took off all of the seals. As you can tell, they are 15 milliliter tubes, so they are smaller tubes. However, you do get 6 of them. Okay, this one is a light pink, like a translucent jelly pink. It's really pretty, actually. And this is a really soft Polygel. And as you guys know, I love a soft Polygel. I'm doing these on some white nails, so this way it would show up really good. Usually I use white or clear. I'm really excited to try this. I've never used Vrenmol before, but I have heard very good things. So I was very excited to try this kit. And so far it's not disappointing, because it's molding well, it pushes well. As you can tell, I'm having no issues whatsoever. And I really don't seem to need very much alcohol either. As you guys know, I like a higher dosage of alcohol. I like the 91%, but that's just me. You ladies might have a different take on that. Okay. That's nice and smooth. Yeah, this is a really good Polygel, guys. It's very easy to work with. Smooths really good. Very light jelly pink. Okay. The next one is called Pink Mauve. And it's really gorgeous. It really is a pinkish mauve. It's really pretty, guys. See, I can push it I can drag it like that, which I personally like to do, or you can, use the pat method and just pat it, mold it. This is a really gorgeous color, this pink mauve. I like this. This one I believe is clear. It simply says 07. It's actually really, really clear. You can see right through that. Alright. And we shall move on. This one is one of the glitters. It's called Diamond Polygel. This one is called Diamond Silver. That is really, really pretty, guys. It's diamond, and it looks like it's holographic. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's still really, really soft, even though it's got glitter in it, which is still amazing, because a lot of companies that have glitter polygel, it gets much, much harder when it has the glitter in it. And this one is still really, really soft. So I'm really impressed with this. I really love this kit. See how well this still molds? This is amazing. Kind of reminds me of Christmas ornament or Christmas trees. And again, I mean, hardly any alcohol is needed. It's not that sticky at all, in my opinion. It's actually got some bigger flakes in it, as well as the smaller glitter flakes, which breaks up the monotony, and I really, really like that. It gives it a whole new dimension to your nails. It is really gorgeous. This is another glitter, Diamond Polygel. This one is called Starlight Feel, and it looks to be a bluish type of a glitter. And it looks like it's got a little bit of a pinkish, and in the light it's got like a pinkish hue to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really gorgeous. So pretty. Okay, well, you guys, this is the finished product. These are absolutely gorgeous colors. Definitely go to Amazon and pick up this new kit from Vrenmol. I don't think you will be disappointed. I love when it has other colors in it as well. Look at that. It actually looks more pinkish now. Can you guys see that? how pretty that is. That is absolutely gorgeous. It's got some pinkish, a little bit of gold, a little bit of teal. So beautiful. If you don't feel like using any type of nail art, you can just leave it with the glitter polygel. Okay. And the last one is also a glitter. It is called Diamond Pink. And this one is a straight glitter pink. That's really pretty too. It's got the holographic properties in it, and it gives it a little bit more dimension. I really like that, instead of just being the glitter. That's really gorgeous. You see that? Okay, let me go ahead and cure these and I will be right back. We are getting 6 tubes, so even though they're 15 milliliters, you're still getting a bunch of polygel. And these are gorgeous colors. These are not shabby at all. They're very beautiful. They're very easy to work with. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.